Are you interested in driving for Lyft in 2018, but don't know the first thing about the subject? Stay tuned to find out everything you need to know about driving for Lyft in just under 5 minutes. Transporter Tech. Streamline your driving experience. Welcome to Transporter Tech, and in this video, we've taken all the main information you'll need to know about driving for Lyft, and we've condensed it down to just under 5 minutes for your convenience. Let's begin, shall we? Driving for Lyft, also called ride-sharing, is quite simple. To start, log on to the Lyft website and enter in your personal information and what car you're driving. This is all you need to do to find out if you're eligible. After you've signed up and passed a background check, which should take about a week, you'll be approved to drive. And you can download the app to your smartphone and log in. From there, you simply click the button that toggles you into online or offline modes. Once you're in online mode, you can accept a trip request. When someone uses their passenger app to call for a ride, the app will make a ping sound and give you about 30 seconds to accept the request. Once you've accepted the request, you can use Lyft's built-in GPS to guide you to the passenger.
Navigating to pick up Lloyd.
Or you can set the app to switch over to either Google Maps or the Waze GPS with the address automatically entered into either app. Once you arrive at the passenger's location, you confirm that it's the correct passenger by asking their name. Once everybody is ready, you swipe the Start Trip button and the GPS automatically enters in the passenger's destination and you drive them there. At the end of the trip, both the driver and the passengers can rate each other. Once you've arrived at the destination, the app automatically charges the passenger's credit card and splits the fare, so you get 75% and Lyft takes 25%. Lyft holds your earnings until the end of the week at 4 a.m. every Monday. Then on Wednesday, they deposit it into your bank account. You can also select the daily payout option, which for 50 cents will transfer your weekly earnings up to that point directly to your debit card. Rideshare drivers work as independent contractors. Because of this, they are considered self-employed and must cover their own driving expenses, as well as providing their own car insurance through either their personal policy or a ride-sharing policy, and are responsible for paying their own taxes. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about driving for Lyft before signing up. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing so we can continue to bring you further content. Thank you for watching.